Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone to Unit 8, Behavioral Science. Today we are going to cover some exciting topics in this unit, which focuses on discussing successful and unsuccessful experiences and what we can learn from them. We'll develop our listening skills, focus on paraphrasing and taking notes with examples, and we will work on some important grammatical concepts like the difference between simple past and present perfect. By the end of this unit, you will be better equipped to share your personal stories in group setting, listening effectively, and use correct grammar and intonation to keep others engaged. And let's take a closer look at the objectives. Okay, first we will listen to a panel discussion and an interview. During these listening exercises, I want you to focus on examples of both successful and unsuccessful experience that the speakers mention. This will help you in our group discussion where you'll share your own stories and explain what you learned from them. Reflecting on both success and failure helps us grow, and we'll be we will be talking about the lessons we can take from these experience. Now let's practice listening specifically for examples. Why? Because okay. Uh, because why? Because examples make ideas clearer and more relatable, whether you're listening to panel or a speaker in a conversation. Paying attention to examples will help you understand the speaker's point better. This is a key skill we'll develop in this unit. We will also work on paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is when you take what someone else has said and put it into your own words. This shows that you understand their point and helps to avoid repeating the same phrase. For example, if someone says, "I learned a lot from my first job," you might paraphrase it by saying, their first job was a great learning experience. It is a useful skill that shows you are engaged in the conversation. In this unit, we will expand our vocabulary by learning about prefixes. Prefixes are parts of words that you add to the beginning of a root word to change its meaning. For example, re or re can mean again, as in rewrite or redo. Learning prefixes will help you understand the use and use more words in English. We will also spend time on grammar, focusing on the difference between the simple past and the present perfect. The simple past is used for actions that are completed, while the present perfect connects past actions to the present. For instance, I visited Paris last year is simple past, while I have visited Paris several times is present perfect. We'll practice using these tenses correctly. In addition to grammar, we will focus on how to vary our intonation during speech. Intonation helps keep listeners interested. If you speak with monotone, people might lose interest. But if you vary your tone, rising and lowering your voice, you'll keep their attention. We will practice using intonation to make our speech more engaging. Another key skill is learning how to ask for and give clarifications. It's okay to ask someone to explain something again if you don't understand it the first time. You will also learn how to provide clarifications when someone asks. This is important for clear communication and understanding in any conversation. Finally, we will work on note taking, but not just any note taking. We will focus on taking notes that include examples. Taking notes with examples helps reinforce your understanding of a topic. You will be able to organize your thoughts better and refer back to key points during discussion. To recap, in this unit, you will develop your listening, paraphrasing, and note-taking skills. You will also learn about grammar, distinction between simple past and present perfect, and how to use intonation effectively. You will practice discussion, successful and unsuccessful experiences, and what you have learned from them. And with this, we reach our end of this video. Thank you all for listening and have a nice day.